is a door. And this is a dog. My dad just got a new car. And today, I'm going to be showing you that new car. If you don't know, I'm not recording this with a phone. I'm recording this with a GoPro. Thank you, Dad's friend Liam. Okay, we're gonna actually go outside. There it is. Ford Kuga. Let's have a look around. First of all, you got the very cool boot, which Dad will demonstrate. You put your foot under it, and it opens to tat. Simple. Now, let's have a look at the front. Here's at the sides. Very nice, I know. Look at this thick front. Very nice. Like the headlights, very big headlights. Now we're actually going to climb inside. Just in here. Oh, hello there. So, here we are, inside of Dad's new car. More tat. Look at this screen though. That's an amazing screen. That is quite cool. Mints. I'm having a mint after this video. And you can see over there, there's another seat and the driver's seat and all that. Back here, if we open this, is of course where my sister sits. And sometimes my stepmom sits there and I sit over here. And my stepmom sits there and I sit over there, and my sister sits there, my dad sits there. You get my idea. So let's jump inside. Oh, there's blankets. Very nice. Because if you don't know, this part here opens up to like the above, which is cool. If I'm like probably in here now. You can like see like all this down here. Like a bin. Got a blanket. Got another blanket with unicorns on it. Yay! Now we shuffle out of this place. Whoa! Whoa! Footstep. And that, I'm going to zoom back on the entire thing. This is my dad's new car. Thank you for watching this. Go and watch Newark Motor Auctions for Dad's old car. It's the 2019 Seat Leon, so go and watch that. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you in the next More Fun Time with Oliver video. Goodbye.